Crypto is a place where people make money and also lose money, a lot of money. And the difference between the two is not luck, it's behavior. Some people enter the market with a plan, and some people enter because they saw a tweet. And if you're new to crypto, there's a very high chance you're making the same mistakes that almost every beginner makes. And the worst part? These mistakes don't just cost you money, they cost you confidence. They make you feel like crypto is a scam, when in reality, it's just a game you haven't learned yet. Welcome to Bitstick, where crypto is simple and mistakes are explained before they become expensive. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 crypto mistakes beginners make. And if you understand these, you'll already be ahead of most people in the market. Let's start with the first mistake, and probably the most common one. FOMO, fear of missing out. You open your phone, you see charts going up, green candles everywhere, people posting profits, screenshots of insane gains, and suddenly you feel like you're missing something big. Your brain starts telling you, what if this keeps going up? What if I miss this opportunity? So you rush in, you buy at the top, and for a moment, it feels great. And then the market drops. Now you're confused. You did exactly what everyone else was doing. So why are you losing money? Because you entered at the wrong time. Here's the reality. By the time you hear about a coin, smart money is already in. Early investors bought when nobody was talking about it. When you buy during hype, you're not early, you're late. And in many cases, you're providing liquidity for someone else to exit. That's why FOMO is dangerous. It makes you act fast without thinking. Smart investors don't chase pumps. They wait, they plan. They enter when things are quiet, not when things are loud. Mistake number 2, investing without research. This one is even worse because it feels like investing, but it's actually gambling. You hear someone say, this coin is going to 100 times. Maybe it's a friend. Maybe it's a YouTuber. Maybe it's a random post online. And without thinking, you put your money in. But ask yourself, do you even know what that coin does? Do you know the problem it's solving? The team behind it? The roadmap? The tokenomics? Most beginners don't. They just follow hype and hope for the best. And hope is not a strategy. In crypto, information is everything. The more you understand, the better your decisions become. When you do your own research, you're not relying on luck anymore. You're making calculated moves. Because if you don't understand your investment, the moment the market drops, you won't have the confidence to hold it. Which brings us to mistake number 3, panic selling. This is where most beginners lose money. The market dips, maybe 5%, maybe 10%, and suddenly fear takes over. You start thinking, what if it keeps going down? What if I lose everything? So you sell just to feel safe. And right after you sell, the market starts going up again. Now you're stuck watching from the outside, regretting your decision. This is the classic cycle. Buy high, sell low. And it happens because of emotions. Crypto is volatile. Prices move fast. If you're reacting to every small movement, you'll never win. Smart investors expect dips. They understand that markets don't move in straight lines. Instead of panicking, they stay calm. And sometimes they even buy more at lower prices. Patience is what separates winners from losers in this space. Mistake number 4, overtrading. At the beginning, trading feels exciting. Every small movement looks like an opportunity. You start taking trades constantly, buying, selling, switching coins, trying to catch every pump. It feels productive, like you're doing something. But in reality, you're just increasing your risk. Every trade comes with fees. Every decision comes with pressure. And the more you trade, the higher the chances of making mistakes. Most professional traders don't trade all the time. They wait for high probability setups. They follow a plan. Beginners do the opposite. They trade out of boredom, out of excitement, or out of fear. And over time, this behavior drains your account. Sometimes, the best trade is no trade. And finally, mistake number 5, ignoring security. This is the most painful mistake, because when it happens, there is no recovery. You click on a random link. You connect your wallet to a fake website. You trust a giveaway that promises free crypto, or worst of all, you share your private keys. And just like that, your funds are gone. No customer support, no refund, no second chance. Crypto gives you full control over your money, but with that control comes full responsibility. If you don't protect your asset, nobody else will. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Never share your private keys, and always double-check before clicking anything. Because in crypto, security is not optional. It's essential. So if you're serious about making money in crypto, start by avoiding these 5 mistakes. Don't chase hype. Don't invest blindly. Don't panic. Don't overtrade. And never ignore security. Because success in crypto is not about being lucky. It's about being disciplined. Most people lose money not because crypto is hard, but because they don't control their behavior. If you can control that, you're already ahead of the game. If you want to learn crypto in a simple, clear, and practical way, make sure you subscribe to BitStick and tell me in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made before? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, stay patient, and invest wisely.